Hey Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and I just want to shout out this amazing product. It is a truly fogless mirror for your shower. You guys, this is such a cool product. I love how it works. It's not, I know there's other mirrors out there that say that, they're fog resistant, and maybe they are, but you don't quite really get a very good mirror. This one is perfect mirror. It's crystal clear, and it's cool how it works. You just put warm water into the reservoir, and if there's warm water back there, your mirror is not gonna fog. So it's kind of simple, but kind of genius at the same time. I love how it sticks to your shower instead of being weird squeegees or something that you have to, damage your tile for. It just has water resistant double-sided tape, and it works so well. It hasn't budged since I put it up. It's really perfect. There's a shelf on it so you can put your tweezers, your razors, or whatever you need there on it, so it's really convenient. It also tilts so you can get the exact right angle and see whatever you want. I got it honestly because I was tired of my man shaving and having just beard trimmings and whatever else all over the sink in the bathroom. Gross, and who wants to clean that up? Seriously, guys, do better. But so got this so he would shave in the shower, but I found I use it too. So ladies, this is not just for guys. I use it all the time. It's really convenient for making sure that, like when you're taking off your makeup or you're using like a facial mask or something, it just comes in handy all the time. I'm really happy with it. You guys, if you're thinking about it, go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be really happy with this.